How grumpy Floyd is. Because there's a... See that magpie there? She's really grumpy. I know that. Did she bully you too? It's okay, George. Look at her. She'll start picking up sticks. See when she runs crooked. I think that's one of the reasons why she can't fly. Come on, you two. No, is there one? Did one go in your bird cage? Oh, Floyd. I know, my poor baby. Can get some food. Here's your food. You don't have to share your dinner. Hey? Because it's winter, I bring Floyd in every night still. George, your food's over there. Boris. Boris, go get your dinner. Such dorks. I'm going in. Get out of here, love. It's your bedtime. Hey, I'll get you some food. She's always chasing me around for some food. Hey, now go. That's it. Good night, everyone.